And while we play musical chairs in here in our studios, I want to remind you this is the Money TV program. For more information, give us a call, 888-259-4449, or visit us online at MoneyTV.net. And joining me with a quick change here, Dean James, CEO of Imaging3 Incorporated, IMGG. Good to see you again.
Good to see you too, Don.
Now, I know you're getting ready to do something. You're going to a big trade show here very quickly. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it's a big trade show in Chicago. It's called RSNA, Radiological Society of North America. It's the largest medical imaging trade show in the world. It's coming up real soon. We've got a really great booth location as well. We're a small company, so we typically get, you know, the slim pickings. We're on a major aisle right next to Toshiba, and you know, it's like I said, it's the largest medical imaging trade show. I think it's the third largest trade show in the country. 70,000 physicians from all over the world attend this, so we're really excited.
Now, your Dominion medical imaging product stands a chance of being a hit at this show because one of the things that's unique about it is it's portable and uses regular standard power. Walk us through that again.
Well, it's a mobile device. It plugs into regular wall power, fits through a regular room door. It's a circular gantry that scans around the body in 360 degrees every 0.2 to 0.8 of a second. Takes those images and puts it into a 3D construct, and it updates it continuously every 0.2 to 0.8 of a second thereafter. So you're getting real-time 3D imaging. The nearest competition can do this type of imaging, like a CT scanner or an MRI, in a half an hour. You know, so we're giving, you know, real-time three-dimensional imaging that's a portable device that will help with minimally invasive surgical techniques as well as, you know, doing diagnostic procedures. It's highly anticipated. I think we're going to be the darling of the show.
You know, if I was one of the guys in your booth on the floor wearing the Imaging3 name tag, one of the things I'd be telling the buyers is, you know, nice thing about our machine is that you don't have to take out a wall to install it. It rolls right in through the front door.
Right. It's not a fixed room. It's you know, it doesn't require a fixed room or fixed shielding, and you can move it throughout. You know, the hospitals, when they purchase this, or even surgery centers or physicians' offices, they can move it around. You know, I would say, like, hospitals will buy many of these devices and keep them in the OR, the ER, and the ICU, CCU areas, as well as interventional radiology. So the broad use and capabilities of this device, it's, you know, on top of its mobility and its breakthrough imaging. I mean, we just won an award this year from Frost & Sullivan as the Innovative Device of the Year award. So we're really excited. This is a really good year for us.
Now, one thing I wanted to point out, we mentioned on the program last week that you're anticipating FDA approval sometime soon, but I think it's important to point out that the FDA approval process is not something you are unfamiliar with.
Oh, absolutely. This is my 5th FDA 510K filing. I've done several on my own personally, as well as for Toshiba and some other large medical manufacturing groups. Yes.
So when I say to you and you tell me that you feel pretty good about this one, you know, we can feel pretty good about you saying that.
Well, as I always try to tell people, it's not a question of if we'll get an approval. It's just a question of when.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, we have no control over the federal government. They take their time when they want to.
If you get FDA approval sometime in 2009, does that give you the opportunity to go right into retail sales? I mean, how does that work?
Well, absolutely. We already have 2 sales pending FDA approval. One is Oregon Health and Science University in Portland, and looks like we're going to close the University of Michigan real soon. Great. So at this trade show, I imagine we'll get several more leads of potential buyers that want to buy the product. So yeah, we should hit the ground running, ready to move into production and once we have FDA approval.
Imaging3 Incorporated, if you want to see some remarkable images, go to their website, imaging3.com. Dean, always a pleasure.
Same here, Don.
Take care.